What's going on? Today I'm going to show you briefly and then get into detail. Each video is going to be about this subject, but I'm going to make this video about all the subject on the as-is contract so you can understand the next videos to come. We are going to make your as-is contract, your offer stronger. Now, this is for buyers that are financing a house, not cash, right? We're going to do a video of how to make the escrow, which is the first thing. You got purchase price and escrow. So one video will just be about escrow and what it means and how to make it stronger and why it's important to put more money in escrow to show the seller. I'm going to do a video on finance contingency. When you are buying a house, it says this contract is contingent upon X amount of days or left blank to getting a loan, and why this is important to fill this out and not leave it blank in this market, and we'll go over that in another video. This is especially for you guys that are looking to buy a house, realtors trying to put in a better offer, so I can show you all this. Right here about how normally seller will choose closing agent, aka title, and why sometimes it's amazing for the buyer to choose it if you want a better opportunity to make your offer stronger. We're going to talk about, of course, the property inspection right to cancel and why this should never be blank ever in a million years, and how important the inspection time frame to narrow it down to almost nothing is very, very important, okay? And then the last, got a lot of pages here, is, come on, the additional terms, where you can add your additional terms, your appraisal gaps, and anything else you want to do and make it stand out and make your offer pop. So I'm going to do separate videos on each topic to make your offer stronger, because remember, you're telling a story, right? When the seller gets this and the agent and they're reading through this, and especially they're going to the last page, right? This is a story, and you have to write this story for your offer to pop. Again, this is not cash. This is competing versus each other. And again, it's not about FHA, VA, conventional. It's just about making the offer on this contract 1,000 times better. So I'm going to do separate videos for you on each topic. Anything you want to learn, let me know. I'm going to make your offers and your contracts so much stronger. Be on the lookout for all the videos coming soon.